What's up everybody, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you guys my personal review on the Custom Interior C7 seat covers. These are a honeycomb stitch. Mine is red on red. I think these things are really high quality, but let's dive on into it and talk more about why I love these seat covers. So the first thing that I want to talk about is the fit and finish. The fit and finish of these seat covers are phenomenal. They look OEM. I think they really help your car stand out. But the hexagonal pattern looks great. I think the ability to tuck them under your controls as well as protect your seatbelt from rubbing, I think those are really cool. Obviously, with your pretty new seat covers, your center console might need to be replaced. Obviously the elbow has done some damage, but the seat covers look great. The only difference for the Z06 that I know of is that the Z06 logo is kind of stamped into the seat, but it's not so crazy that it's noticeable. But the seats look great. They match the red pretty good, and obviously the sky's the limit when it comes to customization. So when we talk about the install, I'll be quite honest, the install is very simple until you get to the clips. The little black clips that you're supposed to push back into the cavity where the seat meets, that is probably the hardest part. You gotta have tough hands. If not, it's okay to sweat when you work. It's okay to cry. They're really not that bad, but some of them will be a pain. So one of the cool things that Custom Interiors offers with these seat covers is the ability to customize your car. Now, when I was originally looking for a Z06 and I saw that special Grand Sport that had the tension blue interior, oh my gosh, that was so beautiful, but I didn't want a Grand Sport. I wanted a Z06. But with Custom Interiors, you guys have the ability to mix and match certain colors, right? If you have a black Z06, maybe you can make your seats stand out with the Kalahari or tan color, red, blue, right? There's a lot of different options that they offer, and I think that is super cool that you can customize these, right? For a couple $100, you're getting something that makes your Corvette stand out from everybody else's. Whereas if you were to go out and have your seats actually custom done, that might be thousands and thousands of dollars. So shout out to Custom Interiors for making these cool seat covers where you can customize your Corvette and make it stand out in the crowd.